Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, today I want to cover what is value investing. Okay, I'm sure you have seen some of these ads on your Facebook feed. What is value investing and how do you apply to me? So I want to explain very simply what is value investing. So there are actually three parts to what is value investing. The very first part is for value investing is to look for what is the theoretical value. Okay, so every share, right, there's a theoretical value for this. Okay, and so how to calculate the theoretical value? There are many ways. Okay, you can use what we call discounted cash flow. Okay, what it means is you can look at how much free cash flow is the company generating every year, and then use the projected free cash flow and discount it to the current price to look at the value. Okay, you can use dividend discount model. That means you look at maybe stocks that are paying dividend regularly for the last 5 years, last 10 years they have been paying dividend regularly. You can use that as a way to what the projected dividend into the future, and then discount that value back to the current price. That's what the dividend discount model. Okay, there are other ways. That example, they can use book value. That means if today I were to sell my company, I'll pay off all the money I owe and I collect all the money people owe me. What if I sell this business? How much is per share worth? Okay, so this is another way of calculating what is value. Maybe another way we can look at is like price earning ratio. So in terms of your current price versus your earning, what is the multiple? Okay, how many times of this earnings do you want to is the value of the share? Okay, so these are different ways of calculating what's the value of this share. Okay, the second thing we're gonna look at is what is the current price that is trading right now. So sometimes the price can drop below the value, then it will be called what we call undervalued. Okay, and lastly is once the price is below the value, then we have what we call a margin of safety. Margin of safety. So the whole idea of value investing is basically to buy stocks that are undervalued so that you have what we call a margin of safety. Okay, of course there are some disadvantage and advantage of this method. I'll share with you a few disadvantages of this method. Number one is this value here, right, is something that is very subjective, correct or not? Because there's different way to calculate the stock, and different way people will calculate it differently. So it's very subjective. You may not get a right answer. Okay, actually, how much is this worth? Okay. Secondly, is you have what we call opportunity cost. Just because the stock price is undervalued, it does not mean that it will always go back to the value. It does not mean that. Okay, so if it doesn't immediately go back to the value, then you have what we call opportunity cost. Okay, you may end up holding the stock for a while. Okay, and sometimes you feel that the third one is if you feel that sometimes you feel that it's undervalued and you buy the stock, and what happens is the stock can continue to go lower. So low actually can go lower and remain undervalued. So in the future videos, I can share with you besides doing value investing, what are the other ways to invest? Okay, so see you in the future videos. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.